Good morning. I am ready and on my way to, I don't even know what day it is anymore, Wednesday? The first day of Gamescom, basically. I'm running a bit late. It's 9:45, and we want to get there a little bit early to not have to queue up so much, but it looks like that can't be avoided now. Never mind. So, yeah, I'm dead excited. I don't know where I'm going to go first. I need to look at the map, but I should have plenty of time in the queue to do that. So, oh my god, I think I might go running to the Blizzard stuff first because that's what I'm most excited about. Yeah, so let's go. Let's go. There's no Hasselhoff today. Sorry. This light doesn't do these nails justice. So close. Oh, it's Marvel vs. Capcom! Oh, this is exciting! Oh my god. Oh my gosh! Oh, using half.
Signed in the way.
I want these. I want his little face. I don't think my video is gonna like do it justice to scale. I want this one as well. Body with the meats. So cool. I like this shirt too. There he is.
half still drunk. Like Hunter.
I like Priest too.
Priest as well.
And Paladin.
We gotta do some damage against this dude. Paladin. Priest. I like Priest.
Okay.
I reckon we're gonna get battered. The healing's not gonna matter at all. Supreme legendary. Yeah.
So how long we have it here?
I shall bring victory.
Which health do you have?
We're about to find out in a minute. Right, what are we doing? Get rid of this.
Get rid of that, yeah.
Oh no, we start. 9.
Oh. Taunt vibes. No. I say get rid of that.
Yeah.
Let's do Oh my god.
Oh my god.
This is empty.
Don't stand in the shit.
Friends. So I'm back at the hotel after day 1 of Gamescom and I'm absolutely exhausted. I don't know if you can tell I'm a proper sweaty mess right now, but I've just trekked around Cologne looking for food at it's probably past 10 now, but from 8:30 onwards, just been trekking around looking for somewhere to eat, but we finally found somewhere that wasn't closed. So now I'm going to show you what I got on day 1. I've had an absolutely amazing day. I spent most of the day at the Blizzard area, which was really cool, even though everything there other than the Warcraft, because they have the new dungeon, Argus dungeon, and I got to play that, and they had a Hearthstone, everything there obviously I've already played. It's not a new game sort of thing, but it was just equally enjoyable. And yeah, and every time you played a game, you got something. So this is my Hearthstone wristband. And I got another few bits. I'm going to show you what I got because I had a bit of a haul and bought a few things. But this is my con bag, which is absolutely ridiculous. It is like the size of me. You can see, like, it is absolutely huge. And you get this for purchasing over €70 at the Blizzard store. So obviously I got one. And it's absolutely massive. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, like, when I get home. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm just going to pick things randomly out of the bag because I don't know what I'm going to end up getting first. Most of it is Blizzard stuff, obviously, but I did pick up a few other things. So, oh my god, this is the cutest thing ever. I don't know if any of you are familiar with Horizon, but I got a little Aloy and she's absolutely adorable. Look at little eyes and she's got like little blush under them. And she's got her like tied up hair and her braids, and I just think she's so cute. And I got her from the Sony booth, I think. Yeah, official licensed PlayStation product, but she's so cute and I couldn't resist. I think she's absolutely adorable. So I got one of her. Let me see what else I got. Try and whiz through these quickly so you're not watching me. I got a Ice Cream Citadel t-shirt, which is the new, well, it's a promotion they're doing to promote the new Hearthstone expansion, which is that. I got a t-shirt with Argus on it. This was not a Gamescom exclusive, but like a Gamescom words. It's a Gamescom premiere item, so like this is the first time they're being sold. They're probably on the store now. This is the first time you can pick it up. It's all stuck together because I've got something stuck to it. But yeah, it's the planet, and it's really cool. And they didn't have it in any other colour but black, unfortunately. But I got excited and bought it anyway. I got loads of flyers, like, from everything. Oh, I got this cute keyring of Illidan for playing the Argus dungeon. So that's super cute. I love that. What else did I get? Probably my favourite thing, and it's going to take me ages for me to get him out. I got a new little friend. Try and get him out. Here he is. This is Squirky, and he has the same colour hair as me. Isn't that cute? But he's absolutely adorable. I collect all the Murlocs, and well, I try to collect all the Murlocs. I don't actually have them all, but he's going to go with my collection of 2, so now I have 3. But yeah, I would have more if I lived in the US where it was easy to ship these things to me. Then I'd probably have them all, but I have to wait for some sort of occasion to justify it. I got a lanyard for playing Diablo. I got to try the new Necromancer. Actually wasn't a fan. Like, I don't know if anybody agrees with me, and I don't know, because I thought it was a bit mean that they were charging so much for the Necromancer class, especially as, I don't know, I feel like with that sort of thing you should kind of get a taster, like, to know what you're buying, because I don't know, people play different ways in Diablo, and I wasn't convinced it was going to be for me, and I was right. I didn't really enjoy playing the Necromancer, but I got a lanyard anyway with his face on. You can see there's some skulls. It has got his face on somewhere. You just have to trust me, I can't find it right now. But there's that. What else did I get? Oh, I think the only other thing that's in this bag, yeah, is they do an amazing thing, which I think that every convention should do, and they do custom print t-shirts. So they've got like a choice of 11 logos, which are the like different Gamescom logos, and you can choose whether you want it on a t-shirt, like a men's t-shirt, a women's t-shirt, a hoodie, and I think there was something else, like another style. There was like 4, I think. It might have been 3. I'm not sure. But and then you can pick your colour. So it comes in, the women's ones came in like, I think black, white, grey, and it might have been black, white, blue, and purple. So yeah, so like even if you were buying a women's t-shirt, you've got 11 logos and 4 colours, so that's like 44 different designs. And then you're not wearing the same t-shirt as everyone else at the convention, which I thought was an amazing idea, and every convention should get on this. So I got my custom Gamescom t-shirt, and they print them for you there, so like they never run out of stock. And this is mine. So I got the like camo, like digital camo type logo on a purple shirt, and I'm chuffed with this. I haven't seen anyone in the convention wearing the same one, so yeah, I really like that idea. I think everywhere should adopt this idea. So I think that's about all. I could go on for the rest of the night about how much I enjoyed the Blizzard reveal, but I won't. I might save that for another night when I haven't got so much to talk about. But in short, like, it was amazing. Like, everything I saw, I was just like, breathe. So yeah, I hope everyone else watching the stream really enjoyed it. And it like snowed on us and everything. It like in 2 occasions it snowed on us, and yeah, it was like little foam like bubbles, and it was really cool. Anyway, I'm gonna go. I forgot to mention that I bumped into Panzer, which was really nice because I've been meaning to say hi to her again. Words. I've been meaning to say hi to her again since I met her at BlizzCon like 4 years ago. So that was really nice. I got to chat with her, and she remembered who I was, and I thought that was really nice. I don't know how she remembers everybody, but she did remember me, which was really, really nice. We got to have a chat, and yeah, I've just got too much to say in this video. It was a very, very exciting Gamescom. Like, and this is day 1, so I've got like 3 more days left, and I don't know how I'm going to cope. I think I'm going to just like pass out by the end of it through sheer excitement. But yeah, I'm gonna go. I've got some weird like vegan like German roll thing. I'm not sure what it is, but I'm gonna eat that right now in bed, and plan my trip tomorrow again to Gamescom. But we're gonna try and strategically decide which hall we're gonna go to, because today it was like we don't know where to go, and we just ended up passing through the same parts over and over, and yeah, so we're gonna actually plan it tomorrow and get to see more things. So yeah, I think that's it. So I'm signing off after day 1 of Gamescom, video 2 this will be, and I will see you tomorrow for the next one. So